What is Lovable? Hey, I'm Julian, and I asked myself the same question after seeing many of these ads from Lovable here on YouTube. And to be honest, it's an amazing tool. It's a so-called vibe coder, which allows you to build apps or websites or even dashboards. And I tried it out for you. And in this video, we're going to check it out, how it works and what you can actually build with it. So let's dive in. And before we start, you can try it out at the same time, step by step, if you want. Therefore, you will find my partner link down in the video description here to Lovable. Just click on it and it will allow you to sign up for free. You will land on this page here. You can simply click on get started, sign up with Google or your email and a password. And once you have done this, you will land on this page here. And this is inside Lovable now. And here you can simply describe what you want to build. So you can build an application, you can build a website, basically anything which has a domain and people can use online. So if you scroll down, you can see some templates here of projects which people already built with Lovable. So yeah, I think these look quite nice, but it's more fun to build your own stuff. So therefore you can simply type in your idea, for example, a fitness tracker for your workout or calorie tracker. And you have two options. You can either directly start building it, or you can plan it firsthand, talk to the AI, plan the UI, plan the functionalities, and then you can switch to build and then it will automatically start building it. And the best part is you can also talk to the AI. Therefore, you can just click on the microphone icon right here, and then it will automatically transcribe what you just said. And after this is transcribed, you can send it, and then it will start building the app. And for this tutorial, I prepared a prompt for a calorie tracking app. So build a modern calorie tracker app similar to MyFitnessPal. I will copy this and I will paste it in, and then I can click send, and Lovable will automatically build me this app. But before we do this, really quickly, I want to show you that you can connect all your tools to Lovable. So I will just click on this up here. And this is quite amazing because Lovable integrates with so many different platforms. For example, Shopify, Stripe, and for example, WooCommerce or Google Maps, Gmail, Twilio, Telegram, Google Drive. And this means that you can connect your app to all these tools. For example, you could build an app which posts something for you on LinkedIn. And therefore you have these connectors and you connect your app which you are building to all these tools. So this is quite nice. Just to give you this as a heads up, Lovable is very integrated in the software space and you can connect it with a lot of different marketing tools, e-commerce tools, or messaging app, or even sales and Google. So this is quite nice, but now let's build the application. Therefore you can just send it and now the AI starts building the app for you. And this usually takes somewhere between 5 to 6 minutes depending on the size of the app. And of course I have prepared the app for you. So basically the same prompt, because we don't need to wait now. Let's check out the app. And this was the same prompt here at the beginning. So build me a modern calorie tracker app similar to MyFitnessPal. And now we can check it out here in the preview. So this is the app. I think it looks amazing. And you can simply click on the photo icon here. And then you can either take a snapshot of your meal or you can upload manually. So just type in the name of the meal, type in your calories. But I'm a big fan of this snap feature here. And you can also use it on your phone. So you can just bookmark it on your home screen and then you can start using it. But for now, let's check it out here on the desktop. I can choose from a library and now I can just upload a picture of, for example, this ice cream cone here. And now the app is analyzing the photo for me. It talks to a different AI, for example, Gemini, and now it gives me the calories. For example, this ice cream cone has 350 calories and I had this for dinner, and then I can click save and now it's saved. And here I can see all my items. I can see the insights, like how many calories I had each day, and I can set my goals. So this was the app Lovable built for us within a couple of minutes. And I can just tell you, it's crazy how easy and how fast this is. And next I asked Lovable to build me a landing page in order to showcase this product to someone and people can also buy it. And therefore it built me this homepage here. So this is on desktop. tablet and mobile. Let's check it out on mobile. And calorie tracking reimagined, and it took a screenshot of the app. Everything you need to know, take a photo, macro tracking, weekly, 3 steps to smarter eating. And now you can see it even created some testimonials for us here on the page, and also a pricing plan. So it's for free to get started, and you can upgrade to a pro plan for $9.99 a month. And I think this is amazing. Everything is done for us. We don't really have to do anything. The homepage is done, the app is done, and this is pretty much what you can do with Lovable. And you can also then publish it, because you can just click on publish here, and then it will give you a dummy domain from Lovable. But you can also connect your custom domain, therefore you need to upgrade, but then you can connect your own domain, click continue, click public, and give it some SEO, for example a title, a description, and an icon, and then you can click continue, publish it, and then the app will be live for other people to use. And I think this is crazy, because within 10 minutes you can build your own app, you can publish it, and the best part is you can also connect Stripe and collect payments. So let's wait until it's published, and voila, the app is now live. We can view it, and as you can see, it's live online. Other people can check it out, and people can log in and get started with your calorie tracking. This video was just to give you a quick overview what you can do with Lovable. As said, you can just type in what you want to build, a landing page, a website, an app, and it will help you to start building it. And when you click on the link down below, you can sign up for free, and it will bring you to the free plan, and you will get 5 credits per day and up to 30 credits a month. And this is usually enough to build like a prototype. And when you want to get serious, then you need to upgrade to the pro plan. You get 100 credits per month, and you can connect your custom domain. I hope this answers your question. Lovable is a vibe coding platform or no code platform, which allows you to build websites and apps, create apps and websites by chatting with the AI. And now have fun trying out Lovable, and don't forget, you will find the link down below.